Hello everybody and welcome to a short edition of Trains at Cullercoats Metro. First train in the video is going to be service to South Shields via Newcastle on platform number 1. We've got platform 1. We've got 4015, haven't seen that in a while, service 130, 4015, 4015 to 4038. Okay, now getting ready to leave. It's going to be 4015 and 4038 with Metro service to South Shield via Newcastle. This is the reason why I'm calling this short edition, because the next train is my train. The next train on this side is my train. 4015 to 4038. Okay, the boarding house was due in 12 minutes. So this train that is now arriving is going to be my train back to North Shields. So thank you for watching this short edition of Trains at Cullercoats. If you did enjoy, please remember to like and subscribe to the official GT Transport YouTube channel so you never miss out on all the latest transport content in the UK and Roblox. And there's a view of the entrance. There's a nice old picture of Tynemouth in there. And the rest of the station. Here's my service. I'm wearing a mask now, of course, because you have to wear one on public transport from the 15th. 4044, service 136. 4044 to 4064. Majority of passengers wearing a mask. Nice to see. Thank you for watching.